Let's take this excerpt and determine the key. Now that you are advanced enough and are starting to recognize diatonic harmonies, it will not simply just be the key signature anymore. You actually have to look at all of the notes to determine what the correct key is. For example, here we have no sharps or flats. So you may automatically start to analyze whether it is in C major or it's in A minor. And there are some indicators that it might be in C major or A minor, but you need to take a pitch inventory. You need to look at all of the notes and verify you have all of those notes. This key signature would say that it could be C major or an A minor if there are no accidentals. But notice we have an F sharp, and the only F for the entire excerpt is F sharp. So we really should be looking for a scale and key that has an F sharp. Notice that since all of the Fs are sharp, and that's the only F we have, maybe it'd be best to look at this excerpt as if it has one sharp in the key signature. And perhaps that would make more sense. That we shouldn't be thinking C major or A minor, that we should be thinking G major or E minor. Remember, finding the relative minor. You take G major, go up to scale degree 6, and there it is, E minor. Now, deciphering between those two is very straightforward. Let's especially look for scale degree 1 and scale degree 5. That would be G and D. Well, look at that melody. Starts on G, ends on G. Notice here, scale degree 5 to scale degree 1. That is a dominant tonic relationship. That's huge for determining the key. Let's look at scale degree 1 and 5 in E minor. Notice there's a scale degree 1 right there in the first bass note. But that's it. There isn't a dominant tonic relationship. There's no B going to E. So, all the notes being the notes of G major, and there being those tonic notes on G in the melody and this dominant tonic relationship, I would definitely say this key is G major. And we will look at this excerpt again after we talk about Roman numerals.